Tired of seeing that annoying low credits warning on Kling AI? And frustrated when your work gets interrupted? Well, what if I told you there's a way to get unlimited Kling AI credits completely free? Just a simple method that works every time. Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how to never run out of credits again. Let's dive in. First, go to your Chrome profile and create a new profile. Then, click Continue without signing in. Next, give it any random name, and your new Chrome profile will be ready. Now, search for the Kling AI website and click on the first search result. On the Kling AI website, click the Sign In button. Then, click Sign In with email. Now, as you already know, Kling AI doesn't allow temporary emails. You need a Gmail account, but don't worry. You don't have to create them manually. We'll use the wonderful method here. Now, open a new tab and search for emailnator.com. You'll see the first website. Click on it. Once you're on the website, you'll see an interface like this. Scroll down a little, and you'll find 4 options. Disable 3 of them. The first option, Domain. The second option, plus Gmail. And the very last option, Google Mail. Only keep the middle option, .gmail, enabled. Then, click Generate New. You'll see a new@gmail.com email address. Copy it. Go back to the Kling AI website and paste the email. Type in a password, and retype Confirm Password, and click Next. Now, solve the security image. On the EmailNator website, you'll receive a 6-digit verification code. Click the Go button, and you'll see the security code from Kling AI. Copy this code and paste it into Kling AI and click Sign In. Now, the Kling AI website will sign you in. As you can see, we've successfully received free credits. Now you can use Kling AI completely free. When these credits run out, simply go to your Chrome profile's history. Click Delete Browsing Data, then select Advanced. Under Time Range, choose All Time and click Delete. After that, repeat the same method with Kling AI and EmailNator. This way, you can get unlimited credits for life without paying any money. You can keep using Kling AI freely. If you found this tutorial helpful, for more tips and tricks like this, subscribe to stay updated. We appreciate you watching. Thanks for watching.